Hello students, how are you? Welcome to computer class. So students, are you practicing typing and editing the documents in MS Word? And you should practice it. Okay. Today in our class, we are going to recall the chapter and we are going to do some worksheet. So let's start it. And before doing that, we are going to have one riddle. So the riddle is, I am in the school or home. You use me for work or games. And I have a small pet mouse. You use me for email. I know that. What am I? Yes, can you guess? I hope that you have guessed it. It is a computer system, right? Computer, you can use it as you can work or you can play games, and it has a small pet called mouse, and we also send email in the computer, right? So those who have guessed the right answer, have a clapping for them. So now let's start with the recall of the chapter. So in the let's recall, first one is MS Word is a popular word processor program of the MS Office suite. Yes, in MS Word, we do word processing. That means whatever we type in it, we process it, we edit it. That means we beautify or make our document more attractive and it becomes easy to read. So this is done by the word processor and it is inside the MS Office suite. Next is selecting text means highlighting the text. Text selection can be done using both the mouse and keyboard. We have learned that different types, different ways are there to select a text. And whenever we select, that particular word gets highlighted. So that is the selecting of text and we do it with the help of mouse and keyboard. Next is editing. It means doing the correction and modification in the document to make it error free. We have done editing and we have done how we have done. We have done by cut, copy, paste operations, undo, redo options. We have used drop cap and many other features we have used for editing. Right? We do spelling check, grammar check. So all these things make our document error free and it modifies and more easy to read it. Next is moving the text. It means to remove text from one place to the other place and we can put wherever we want. And how do we do that? We do with the help of cut and paste options. What if we don't want a particular word at one location, we cut that portion and we paste it to the other place. So that means we are moving text from one place to the other. And copying means it makes a copy of that particular text and it also places to somewhere else wherever we have pasted it. So for that we use copy and paste options. We use copy function to copy it and then we paste that particular function on the next place. Next is undo option. It helps us to reverse the last action. So if we have done by mistake, if we have deleted some text or some paragraph, we do the undo option. So that paragraph comes back. And the opposite of is the repeat option or redo option. It what does it do? It repeats the action undone using the undo command. So if we have clicked undo on some of the text, so if we do the repeat option or the redo option, so the whatever we have undone, it will repeat that action. Then the spelling and grammar command button lets you check the spelling and grammar of the text in your document. We have seen that how to check the spelling and how does it correct our sentence grammatically. So it makes it spelling free and grammatically error free document. Last is using find and replace feature. You can find a particular text string in your document. So with the help of find feature, we can find any of the alphabet or word or a text. It can be 2-3 words together. So by using this function, we can search any particular word from a big paragraph or 4-5 pages or more than that. And if we want to replace that word or text, so we can use it replace feature. So we have seen the recall of this chapter. You have to revise it. Next, these are the important terms to learn. First is word processor. It is a special type of software which allows us to work with text to create text documents. Yes, so word processor, as we have already seen that how does a word processor, that is Microsoft Word, helps us to type document and how can we make changes in it to make our document attractive and readable. So for this, word processor helps. Next is editing. Editing, we know that it makes corrections to a piece of text or document. It do the correction part. Moving, we remove a piece of document from one place and paste it some other place, right? And what function do we use? We use cut and paste option. Next is copying, that is copying a piece of text from one location and pasting it at another location. So in copying, we don't remove from the original place the document or text, it remains at the original place as well as we place it to the other place also. And what function we use? We use copy and paste option. Next is spelling and grammar. So this feature helps us to correct the wrong spelling, and if our sentence is grammatically incorrect, so it corrects it and makes our document error free. So students, you are going to learn it and also you are going to write these terms in your computer notebook. Next, we are going to move to the worksheet. So this is the first worksheet. Here we have to fill in the blanks. First one, MS Word is a popular dash program. It is a word processing program. Next, the dash and dash commands are used to create duplicate copy of selected text. We have read in the copying feature. So the answer would be copy and paste commands. Moving text means to dash text from one location and place it to another. That means we have to remove it from one location and put it to the another location. Next, when we make changes to a document, it is called editing. Editing is making the correction, right? So it makes changes in the document. Last, the dash option helps us to reverse the last action. That is undo option. Whatever action we have done, if we press undo, so the last action gets reversed. So this were the fill in the blanks and you are going to do it in your computer book. Next is you have to take the correct option. Shift and arrow keys are used to dash text to select the text. So you have to tick mark just like it is done in the page. So you have to do the select option correct. While using the shift key and arrow key, we can select the text in our document. Making changes to the text is called editing. We know that editing is making changes and doing correction. Third, which command can be used to repeat an action undone by the undo command? So it is just opposite of the undo command, that is redo command. So we are going to tick on redo. Fourth, making duplicate copy of the text is called copying. Fifth, which tab contains options to save files and create new files, etc. So we use file tab. Where is the file tab in the word window? It is at the top left corner, right? So when you click on that, you get so many options like new, open, save as, print, close. So all these options are present in the file tab. So these were the worksheet 2 and we have done it. This is the next worksheet. We have to state whether the sentence is true or false. So the first one is redo means to cancel a command given earlier. Yes. So that means whatever command we have given, so that cancels. So the sentence is true. Next one, to select a single word, we need to triple click on it. No, it is false. To select a single word, we just have to double click. For triple click, where we do use to select the whole paragraph. So for whole paragraph, we do double tick, triple tick. For single word, we do double click. Okay. Now the third one, Word allows us to insert text within an already typed text. True. So if we have already typed our text or document, if we want to insert it, we can easily insert any word or sentence inside the document. Fourth, the spelling and grammar command button is situated under the review tab. Yes, in the review tab, you get the option of spelling and grammar command button. So it is true. Last one, fifth, find and replace buttons are situated in the paragraph group of home tab. It is false. Inside the home tab, there is option of editing. In that we get find and replace button. So that's why it is false. So this is worksheet 3. In worksheet 4, we have to match the columns correctly. So first one is home tab. Home tab, inside the home tab we get editing group. So on the right hand side, you will get in the C part editing, and in front of that you are going to write 1. In the second point, it is written review tab. So review tab has spelling and grammar option, right? So whenever you open your Microsoft Word, you are going to click on home tab and review tab, and you will see that home tab contains editing group and review tab contains spelling and grammar, right? So you are going to write 2 after spelling and grammar. Third is triple click. Where do we do triple click? To select a paragraph. So you are going to write 3 after selecting a paragraph. Fourth is ribbon. Ribbon are the tabs and commands button, right? So it is on the right hand side, it is at the top, tabs and command button. So 4 you are going to write after tabs and command buttons. Last is cut or paste. So cut or paste is used to move a text. That means moving text. So you are going to write 5 after that. So we have done these worksheets and you have to complete it in your book. So these were the worksheets which we have to do in the book. So you are going to complete it. Take care. Bye students.